God's work. Rohit was traveling from one city to another, but he missed his morning train. So while waiting, he thought of having breakfast. He went out of station and started walking toward a nearby hotel to eat. On his way, he saw two kids sitting on sidewalk. Their condition was not looking good, and by look on their face, he could guess that they were very hungry. He felt bad for them and gave them 10 and left. After this, as he was walking toward hotel, he thought to himself, "How stupid of me. I gave them just 10 Rs. What can they buy to eat with it, when I can't even get a cup of tea with 10 Rs? He felt ashamed of himself and went back to those kids. He asked them if they would like to eat at hotel with him. Kids were confused and looked at each other. As they were very hungry, they accepted his offer. When kids were at the hotel, hotelier stopped them from entering as their clothes were too dirty and torn. Seeing this, Rohit went to him and asked him to allow those kids to enter as they were with him, and he is going to pay for their food. Seeing this, hotelier understood whole situation and felt ashamed at his act of stopping those kids from entering. They got inside and got seated comfortably. After this, Rohit asked kids, "What do you want to eat?" Kids kept silent. Rohit ordered food. As soon as food came, he saw a smile on face of boys and felt happy. When the children started eating, the happiness of their face was somewhat different. After having food, they returned back. Before leaving, Rohit handed them some more money and asked them to buy some clothes. Whole incident was over. Rohit was back to his normal routine, but even after many days he couldn't stop thinking about those boys and felt bad for them. One day while visiting temple, he said, "God, where are you? How can you sit quietly when there are children like them who are suffering from hunger?" Just in next moment, a thought struck his mind. Who had been providing food for them until now? What I did for those boys, could I have done that with my own thinking? At that moment, he realized and understood that whatever we do is just a part of God's plan. Whenever we help someone, it's because God find us worthy to help someone. He send us to help that person. Moral: refusing to help someone is like refusing work of God.